But we don't want to go so far into the individuality that we lose the universality, right?
Yeah, well, I think it's the other way around. I really think we never had it. I don't think we've ever had the universality. I think it was always unconscious. We've arisen from that. We find the universality now, finally, through the individuality. Because by being individuals, we become conscious enough, we develop as individuals enough that we can be conscious of something, not just like, oh, people are my people, but those people who aren't my people, they're people. Or what matters is my food, what matters is all forms of life. Or you know, that expanding out, the whole of history has been, morality in history has primarily been love and care for those within the community.
Right.
And fuck over the rest.
That's true.
That's been history. And the ones that can do that best, because you need internal consistency, like with the body needs to work together, but it wants to eat that one.
Yeah.
Same with communities. It's like you work well together inside, but so that's why people have been able to do outrageous things to each other, slave each other, because they're not the people. We're the people. They're just other things. But what's happened in our lifetimes is that's got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until a huge number of people have that essentially unividual insight, which is, oh no, we can care for all people.
Right.
And because they don't look like us, or they're not part of our culture, or not our tribe, or there's something bigger of which we're all a part.